Hello YouTube, this is 8482 Media. Today we're going to be showing you a basic use of the color correction tools in Premiere Pro, how to get you started on that. So here on your Premiere Pro windows, look to your right hand side for the panel. If you don't see it, it's okay. We'll access your Lumetri color. Go here up here to this tab, click on color. If that does not open it up, go to your windows. Scroll down to your Lumetri color, click on that. That should open up the panel tab here with Lumetri color. Then here to your left side of your video, you're going to be seeing your Lumetri scopes. And to access that, again, go to Windows, go down Lumetri scopes. So here on the right hand side, we have the vector scope, YUV. And then to your left, we have the waveform, and I have it set up at RGB. So for the vector scope, it's going to show you the colors in the footage, in the video, in the MP4 that's going on. It starts with magenta, red, yellow, green, cyan, blue. I'm going to show you a mix of that. See if I go in the video, it's going to change a little bit depending what it is. And if you have people in the footage, the video, it's going to show skin tones right here in between yellow and red. And then to the left of that is your waveform. So that's going to be showing you the light exposure, the brightness, levels, wavelengths, and all that. So let's go to the Lumetri color panel here to the right. So we're going to start off with temperature. So it's going to go from blue to orange. And then tint, it's green to magenta. And then your saturation, which controls your grays, blacks, and whites. So let's mess with that. So if you go all the way down, and you can see here in the vector scope, there's no more colors. Now my whole video here is black, gray, and white. And let's say you've been actually editing for a while and you don't like your original and you can't figure it out, you can reset it all, go back. There's how it was when you uploaded the video, MP4. So you've been editing and you quite don't like and can't figure out the color correction tool here and the video editing. There's an easy step for that and fix. Actually, Premiere Pro has a nice feature to that. Click here on auto. It would actually generate and render its own version and fix what Premiere Pro thinks the footage will look best, the MP4, and actually quite good, and it's a helpful tool to use. If you're new or you're not too quite sure how to use it, it is a great way to get you started and learn from. I'll save you some time. Hopefully that helped you out. Peace.